welcome to all. I am here for presenting research poster on multidisciplinary approaches in women's healthcare. Women's healthcare was now developing stage on the multidisciplinary approaches. Now women's health has been taken the new step and new turn in the healthcare system, which we can produce a new modular system where the women's healthcare was developed and begins to modify in various stages. Now, in cardiovascular system care of women's healthcare, now there are so many models which are being introduced in this era. Like there is time issue, ASCVD, expanded insurance payment model, expanded access models, etc. Now, patient care and patient awareness is very important to develop in women's health care, because lack of education in women's in India, now some women are illiterate. Then that's why the understanding between the educated person and uneducated person is very low right now. That's why in time of pregnancy, some cardiovascular diseases are developing in women's health. That's why the central illustration model will be presented by some people, which is known as a multidisciplinary cardiovascular team management of women's heart congenital diseases. There is a WHO, means World Health Organization, was developed this system by the contraception counseling, by the baseline maternal cardiovascular assessment, imaging, and pregnancy risk assessments. This concept was developed in the first stage of pregnancy, in first to third months. Now in second system, in the 4th to 6th months, the new model was developed as known as a OB gynecology specialist. Their pharmacist or the practitioners counsel the patient about his maternal child health and parental child health. So in third stage, where the right stage in like 6, 7 to 9 months, where pregnancy model was developed, monitoring was developed. In that system, the maternal child and parental child health was very important, because this is the stage of delivery. Now, in second, action for women's cardiovascular care. First is increasing awareness. There, some women have a lack of knowledge. That's why the awareness was important to develop in women's cardiovascular health. Second is sex and gender specific patient care. Sex and gender specific patient care means sometimes it happens the doctor compromises the gender equality. Doctor applies the gender difference between women and male. That's why the sex and specific patient care was important to develop in pharmacists and prescribers. Expanded cardiology and specialty care. In that system, the patient needs to get the knowledge about the cardio specialty system, about his treatment, about his overall dosage system. Third is community government advocate. The patient needs to know about what happened in your health or his health. Now, start. Adopting multidisciplinary approaches in women's healthcare essential for providing the appropriate knowledge to the women, and need to develop the psychology, geneticity, and terminology between women. Thank you.